DeFi traders lose millions every day to slippage. A $100,000 CRO to USDC swap on VVS Finance? 2.8% slippage. $2,800 gone. This is the execution crisis on Cronos, until today. Meet CLEO Cronos Liquidity Execution Orchestrator. Our AI agent doesn't just find better prices. It rewrites DeFi execution with 3 breakthroughs. 1. AI-powered split optimization across all Cronos DEXs. 2. X402 atomic batch execution. All swaps succeed or all revert. 3. Institutional-grade risk controls with real-time ML predictions, CLEO work. Live on Cronos testnet. User requests. 75,000 CRO to USDC, maximum 0.5% slippage. First, our Liquidity Scout scans every pool. VVS Finance, 200K CRO depth. Cronos Swap, 150K. Finance, 180K. Second, our optimizer runs 47 split combinations in milliseconds. Best solution, 45% VVS, 30% Cronos Swap, 25% MMF. Predicted slippage, 0.31%. Third, CLEO compiles 3 swaps into one X402 atomic batch. Here's the magic. Route 1 to 33,750 CRO through VVS right pointing arrow 33,500 USDC minimum. Route 2 to 22,500 CRO through Cronos Swap right pointing arrow 22,300 USDC minimum. Route 3 to 18,750 CRO through MMF right pointing arrow 18,600 USDC minimum. Global condition. Total output must exceed 74,000 USDC. 1 transaction hash. Either all 3 swaps succeed perfectly, or the entire batch reverts atomically. 0 partial execution risk. Executing now on Cronos testnet. Transaction submitted. Confirmed in 0.79 seconds. Results: 74,812 USDC received. Actual slippage: 0.29%. Beat prediction. Gas cost: 0.021 TCRO. Saved: $1,892 versus single DEX. That's 89% slippage reduction. From $2,100 lost to $218 lost. For every trade. Now scale this. 1,000 trades per month. Single DEX traders lose $2.1 million annually. CLEO users save $1.9 million. At $1 million trade size? Single DEX loses $28,000 per trade. CLEO loses $3,100. $25 million annual savings. This isn't incremental. This is infrastructure. Under the hood. 4 specialized AI agents. Liquidity Scout monitors 200+ pools via the graph and direct RPC calls. Split Optimizer solves linear programming in real time. Risk Validator runs VAR analysis and stress tests. X402 Executor compiles everything into one atomic transaction using Crypto.com's facilitator client. Built for Cronos. Sub-second blocks keep price data fresh. 10x lower gas makes complex splitting economical. Native X402 support eliminates custom assembly. Every DEX wins. VVS gets steady volume. Cronos Swap fills gaps. MMF captures niche pairs. CLEO makes the entire Cronos liquidity network deeper and more efficient. Production ready today. Deployed smart contract verified on Chronoscan. 19 successful testnet transactions. Full test suite. Redis caching. Crypto.com MCP price feeds. Battle-tested architecture. Tokenomics ready. 0.2% protocol fee. Performance incentives. $CLEO governance token. Revenue sharing model. Built for the X402 agentic finance track. Financially complex? Check. Multi-step automation? Check. Cronos ecosystem integration? Check. CLEO transforms Cronos from a great chain into the best DeFi execution venue. Deployed. Proven. Ready to scale. Thank you, Cronos Labs. Appendix. The code is open-sourced on GitHub. CLEO Cronos Liquidity Execution Orchestrator. production-grade agentic payment system with AI-powered multi-dex routing. The GitHub includes multiple technical diagrams. One diagram presents a Cronos native, production-ready AI-driven cross-DEX execution pipeline, from signal ingestion to atomic settlement. On the far left, we ingest a spectrum of market signals, on-chain state snapshots, DEX liquidity views, mempool events, Oracle feeds, and external order book telemetry. Each stream is normalized by lightweight adapter plates at the edge and funneled into a partitioned ingestion buffer that enforces backpressure and preserves ordering. From there, payloads are published to a durable, partitioned message bus with replay capability. Under the bus sit the persistence layers, an ACID canonical state store for live reads and writes, an immutable append log for auditability, and an object store for artifacts and snapshots. A hardened KMS, HSM is isolated and used for all signing operations. Signing traffic is strictly guarded. At the center is the agent orchestration core, layered plates for feature encoding, model inference and policy, and an inner simulation and risk evaluation chamber. Encoded vectors feed the policy layer, which runs multi-step counterfactuals in a state-mirrored sandbox. Simulation outputs produce deterministic risk scores and constraint signals. The core is ringed by segmented safety gates, per-step min-out checks, slippage and liquidity constraints, and circuit breakers that can halt or reroute execution. The composer emits signed intent ribbons, ordered per DEX sub-instructions, which are mechanically assembled into batches, checksum verified and mirrored into a dry run emulator. Passing batches go to the atomizer and the facilitator for coordinated submission. Because this runs natively on Cronos, we leverage EVM compatibility, low gas and fast finality to submit compact, cost-efficient atomic batches. The facilitator fans secured channels to multiple DEX endpoints. Only when all confirmations arrive does the finality lock engage and archive sealed packet copies in an immutable audit cabinet. Across the stack we enforce HA and safety, mirrored cores and message buses with cross-region replication, multisig threshold signing, MEV-aware fallback paths, and CD canary deploys. The result is deterministic, auditable, Cronos-optimized atomic settlement at production scale.